Attention Windows 10 users. In this video, we'll show you how to master the timeline feature. Get ready to enhance your productivity and make multitasking a breeze. Let's dive right in. Step 1. To access the timeline, simply locate the timeline button. It's conveniently positioned to the right of your search box. Alternatively, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut by pressing Windows key plus Tab. This will instantly launch the timeline feature for you. Step 2. Once the timeline is open, you'll notice a scrollable list of files and websites that you have recently accessed. Scroll down to explore your past activities and find the specific item you need. Whether it's a document, a web page, or even a video, everything you've opened in the past is now at your fingertips. Step 3. To quickly locate a particular file or website, take advantage of the search box within the timeline. Simply type in the name or keyword related to the content you are searching for. Windows 10 will instantly display all the relevant items, allowing you to swiftly find what you need without endless scrolling. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can navigate through your past activities like a pro. The timeline feature in Windows 10 brings power and efficiency to your fingertips, making it easier to multitask and stay organized. Remember, the timeline feature is designed to enhance your Windows 10 experience and boost your productivity. So go ahead and explore all the files and websites you've accessed with ease, search for specific items, and stay on top of your digital world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into even more exciting Windows 10 features. Until then, happy computing.